Good afternoon, everyone. This is Saru Arakelians, your clinical pharmacist. Welcome to another episode of Pharmacy Talk USA. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive daily notifications on medication news and updates and summaries of information. So, new inhaler in the market for COPD. The name is Ohtuvayre or ensifentrine, and in this video, I'll be summarizing the information on Ohtuvayre. So, let's get into the summary of what Ohtuvayre is. So Ohtuvayre, first of all, is a phosphodiesterase 3 or PDE3 inhibitor, as some of us know, and phosphodiesterase 4 PDE4 inhibitor indicated for the maintenance treatment of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease in adult patients. So it's one of the first PDE4 and PDE3 inhibitor combination for the treatment of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is an obstruction of the lungs called COPD, especially in adults. I've included a picture of the Ohtuvayre for you to see over here with the ampule. The recommended dosage for Ohtuvayre is 3 milligram, which is 1 ampule, as shown in the picture over here, twice daily, administered by oral inhalation using a standard jet nebulizer with a mouthpiece. Again, 3 milligram, 1 ampule, twice daily, administered using the jet nebulizer. It's an inhalation suspension of 3 milligram per 2.5 ml suspension. Ohtuvayre is contraindicated in patients with hypersensitivity reactions to ensifentrine, which is the ingredient in Ohtuvayre. So if you have used Ohtuvayre before or ingredients such as ensifentrine and you've had reactions before, Ohtuvayre is not the right medication for you. As far as adverse events goes, most common adverse effects seen from Ohtuvayre includes back pain, diarrhea, UTI, urinary tract infections, and hypertension. Again, this is a summary information about Ohtuvayre, which is a new FDA-approved inhaler, which is a PDE3 and PDE4 inhibitor, indicated for treatment of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. Recommend dose 3 milligram, 1 ampule twice daily. Recommended dosage, that's how it comes. Recommended dosage is 3 milligram twice daily, and it comes in a 3 milligram per 2.5 ml ampules to be used with the jet nebulizer that it comes with it. Some of the common side effects, as I mentioned, includes hypertension, urinary tract infections, and diarrhea. For more detailed information on this medication, refer back to the package insert, which will give you more information on the dosing, cautions, precautions, and side effects on Ohtuvayre. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.